friends, one of my favorite all-time comfort food classics is fried rice. The featured ingredient today is a criminally underrated ingredient, and that is the very beautiful pepperoni. We see it most commonly as a pizza topper or stuffing inside a calzone, but it can do so much more. Now, the beauty of fried rice is that it's so customizable, so you can raid your fridge and put in pretty much whatever you want. I found a red cabbage here and scored some nice chives from the nearby Asian food market. So what you want to do is you want to start by cutting the pepperoni into matchsticks. If you do choose to go with cabbage, what I recommend is thinly slicing them. Splitting these so they're not long. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, and I'm just putting here just a splash of water just to make the scrambled eggs fluffy.
Whoa, a little early, isn't it?
It's just water. All right, we are going to want to get the wok heating up until it is smoking. So it is smoking now. I'm gonna turn the heat down to low, and then I'm just gonna give a little coating of canola oil here. Let's drop the egg in. I'm going to turn the heat back up slightly. We're going to add the pepperoni first because I want the fat of the pepperoni to render a little bit, because that's going to spread out throughout the fried rice dish and help flavor it. In with our cabbage, or whatever vegetable you've chosen. I was using canola oil because of its high smoke temp, but for flavoring, I'm going to be adding in some toasted sesame oil. Now, it's really important that you use cold rice. How cold? Colder than your boss's heart. Now for the sesame oil. I got some dark soy sauce. Now, typically, I like to add in a little bit of oyster sauce into my fried rice, but in this situation, I'm not. Here's why. I really don't want to mask the flavor of the pepperoni. We're going to finish with the eggs. I'm going to turn off the heat and then just add in our chives. It's alright if you don't have this, but if you have some ground white pepper around, it's going to really help your fried rice. it's a reminder to me why this is such an underutilized ingredient. Shay, let's give this a try.